kids, I am Teacher Franz. Welcome to my math class. Let us learn math the easy way. Today, we will discuss the order of operations. So come on! Prepare yourselves and let's learn the wonderful world of math. Today, kids, I will be sharing with you some important tips in doing the order of operations and how we can easily solve mathematical expressions in its proper sequence. To move forward, we need to identify first the definition of order of operations. So, can anyone tell me the meaning of order of operations? Correct! The order of operations tells us how to do math problem with more than one operation in the correct order. In this lesson, we will know the different mathematical operations used to solve math problems. Actually, it is not just knowing to solve math problems, but most importantly, to do math problems in its correct order, meaning in its precise position. In this way, we can come up with the right value of the mathematical expression we are solving. To easily remember the different mathematical operations in this lesson, we will use the mnemonic device please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Can you repeat, class? Good job, kids! So, each letter in our mnemonic device has meaning. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiply, and D for divide. If you will notice, multiply and divide are joined together in this area because in a given mathematical expression, whatever comes first from left to right, either multiply or divide, should be the third operation to solve. The same with add and subtract. Whatever comes first from left to right, either add or subtract, should be the fourth operation to solve. So how do we do it based on rules? First, perform the operation inside the parentheses. In this example, can you tell which mathematical operation should come first? Correct! The operation inside the parentheses because that's what the rule says. So, parentheses 5 plus 3 times 4 should be performed first. The second rule is to work on exponents. Now, how do we solve exponents? You are perfectly right! You should multiply the number by itself. So, in this example, 8 plus parentheses 6 times 5 squared plus 3. What should be done first? Exactly! The exponent inside the parentheses, which is 5 squared. Then what is the answer when we multiply 5 by itself? Yes, you are right! The answer is 25. Because 5 times 5 is equal to 25. The next rule is to perform multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. For our example, what should be operated first in the mathematical expression of 8 plus parentheses 5 times 4 divided by 2 minus 4? Very good! 5 times 4 should be performed first before division because multiplication is in the left side. So, 5 times 4 is equal to... Good job! The answer is 20. So now, we can divide 20 by 2 to solve the answer in the parentheses. So, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Finally, we were able to solve multiplication and division operations in its proper order. The fourth and final rule is to perform addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. In the given example, 8 plus 10 minus 4, which should be solved first, addition or subtraction? Good job, class! It should be addition, which is 8 plus 10 because the addition is in the left side. After which, once we find the sum of 8 plus 10, we can now subtract the remaining problem. So, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Then, 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. At last, we were able to solve the addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. To sum up our lesson, here are the rules to help you better recall what we have discussed. Number 1. Perform the operation inside the parentheses. Number 2. Work on exponents or powers. Number 3. Perform multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. Number 4. Perform addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. Since we are done, let's have a quick check if you really understood our math class today. Now let us explore. Come on and let's do the following example. Let us solve the mathematical problem here. So, we have 3 to the third power minus 6 times 4 divided by 12. What we should do first is to operate the exponent because we do not have any operations inside a parenthesis. So, 3 to the third power is equal to 27 because we have to multiply 3 by itself 3 times in order to solve the answer of 27. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 and 9 times 3 is equal to 27. The next thing we should do is to solve the multiplication operation, which is 6 times 4. So, 6 times 4 is equal to 24. The third step that we should do is to divide 24 to 12. So, 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. The last operation to do is subtraction. So, 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. Finally, the value of the mathematical expression 3 to the third power minus 6 times 4 divided by 12 is 25. So, did you have fun solving mathematical expression in correct order? Just don't forget our dear Aunt Sally in solving our mathematical expression. Till then, kids, I hope you have learned something new today. Let us learn math the easy way. See you next time!